Everyone says mulch can solve all your weed problems, but what if I told you there's 5 smarter ways right now to stop weeds before spring comes? No mulch required. These tricks just don't stop the weeds. They make your soil healthier and your garden more self-sustaining. This is Master Gardener Steve, and we'll be going over these 5 weeding tricks today. Even in winter, weeds need light. Covering the soil with cardboard, old feed bags, or opaque plastic starves them before they even sprout. It's like flipping the light switch off on the weed seeds. By spring, that top layer will be easier to work and your soil richer from the decomposed carbon. Winter weeds like chickweed, henbit, and bluegrass thrive when everything else is resting. A quick pass with boiling water, a shot of vinegar on a sunny day, or even a flame weeder will do the trick. Flame weeding is actually the safest in winter. Low oils, no tender plants to damage, and quick clean results. If you leave soil bare, weeds will take the invitation. But a living cover crop competes for light, water, and nutrients, and these fast growers always win. Clover and vetch add nitrogen, rye builds biomass, and all of them protect your soil from erosion and weeds. Most weed problems start at the edge. Driveways, bed borders, and paths. Reinforce them now, and you'll cut your spring weeding in half. Clean, defined lines make your garden look intentional, and weeds hate that order and lack of chaos. Weeds often grow where your soil's out of balance, compacted, acidic, or low in calcium. Fix that, and the weeds disappear on their own. This time of year, your soil's resting, ready to receive. Fork, feed, and adjust the pH, and you'll invite roots, not weeds, come spring. So this winter, skip the mulch sermon, block the light, seed the cover, and tune up your soil. And you'll step right into spring with fewer weeds and more time to enjoy your garden.